Let us work out a problem on LCR circuit. Example 7.6. A resistor of 200 ohm and a capacitor of 15 microfarad are connected in series to a 220 volt 50 Hz AC source. Calculate the current in the circuit. And the second question is, calculate the voltage, that is the RMS voltage across the resistor and the capacitor. Is the algebraic sum of these voltages more than the source voltage? If yes, resolve the paradox. So this is a AC circuit which contains a resistor and a capacitor in series with a AC source. It is given that the resistance of this resistor is 200 ohm and the capacitance of this capacitor is 15 microfarad or 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, and the source potential is 220 volt. The source potential is equal to 220 volt and 50 Hz. And we have to find out the current in the circuit. To calculate the current in the circuit, first we have to calculate the reactance of this capacitor or the capacitive reactance. We know capacitive reactance Xc is equal to 1 by omega C, or that is equal to 1 by twice pi nu C. So if we substitute the value of the constants, that is 2 into pi is equal to 3.14, nu is given 50 Hz and capacitance is given 15 microfarad. So 15 into 10 to the minus 6 farad. So the capacitive reactance will be equal to 212.3 ohm or approximately 212 ohm. Now the impedance of the circuit Z will be equal to R square plus Xc square square root, that is equal to 200 square plus 212 square, that is equal to 291.5 ohm. So current in the circuit will be equal to I, that is equal to potential divided by the impedance. So 220 volt divided by 291.5 ohm. So this will be equal to 0.755 ampere. And the next question is to calculate the RMS voltage across the resistor and capacitor. We have to calculate the RMS voltage across resistor and RMS voltage across the capacitor. Since the current is same throughout the circuit, the RMS voltage across the resistor VR, let us say, is equal to I into R, that is equal to 0.755 ampere into 200 volt, 200 ohm, that is equal to 151 volt. Similarly, RMS voltage across the capacitor, that is equal to VC, let us say, is equal to I into XC, that is equal to 0.755 ampere into 212.3 ohm, that is equal to 660.3 volt. So the algebraic sum of these voltages will be equal to 151 volt plus 160.3 volt. This will be equal to 311.3 volt. But the source voltage is given 220 volt. But here you have calculated the voltage is equal to 311.3 volt. So this potential is more than the source potential. So where is the paradox? The two voltages cannot be added by algebraic means because the two voltages are not in same phase. If you look to the phase diagram, you can clearly see that the two voltages, the voltage across the resistor and the voltage across the capacitor, are not in the same phase. The two voltages are out of phase by 90 degree. You see, the two voltages are out of phase by 90 degree. So these two voltages cannot be added by algebraic means. It can be added by using Pythagoras theorem. that is the resultant voltage can be found out from this diagonal. So resultant voltage will be equal to VR square plus VC square root. So if you add the resultant voltage using Pythagoras theorem, then the resultant voltage VR plus C will be equal to 220 volt.